An install today. Another install. Highland Lakes. Highland Lakes. We gotta go to Highland Lakes. Everybody's here and we're late. And Orion. Loading up for the job today.
I got hole saws.
So we're gonna be tearing it out. It's in there. Well, that platform's pretty low. It should be pretty good. The flute pipe's new still. Pretty nice looking. Serial numbers.
You got a 1/4-inch nut driver?
Another new line set. Getting everything new. Doing a fine job. Doing a very fine job.
I'm gonna leave that there for Ryan. Is that okay? I'm gonna cut that hole outside. I'm gonna try and get the line set cover up. That's a nice easy one. We probably could have Armaflex that one, huh?
Huh?
So we probably could have Armaflex this one.
Yeah, I would Armaflex it. You already taped it?
Feel the rain. I feel the rain. The rain is coming. Starting to sprinkles. You want to roll your window up?
If you do it, you gotta do it from the whole top.
Huh?
I have to do it from the whole. I have to angle the top the whole way.
3/4, 3/8.
Oh, really? Okay.
We're gonna make that work.
You got it. You say send it, I'm sticking it.
So bring this on the flex this way, grab it down there in the middle.
Look out, nails.
How we doing?
Doing good. Hold up. Let me relocate.
Okay.
All right, a little more. Hold up. I gotta get over to the hole. All right, easy. Hold up. How much I got hanging down in there, Jill?
About 2 feet.
To the corner.
No, you need a little more.
Come on, a little more.
You need a little more.
Push, Ryan. Easy.
All right, I think that's plenty in here. It goes all the way down to where you gotta solder them up, but should be able to have plenty of line there.
Oh yeah, plenty.
Okay, good.
You good out there? Good enough. You want me to put my benders on it and bend a 90? Or are you gonna bend that by hand?
Here.
At the wall.
Bend it by hand, I would think.
Excuse me.
Want, you bend the 90. So I got benders.
I got
I am gonna push you some back.
Alright.
I can't. Hold on.
You need me to pull it down in here a little bit more? Never mind.
That's good.
Beautiful, he said. Perfect, he said.
Hold on a minute.
In the rain. No line set in there.
You gotta pull that piece of pipe over. There you go. There you go.
Working in the rain. We're working in the rain.
Nothing sawzall with another blade.
You want the sawzall?
Middle blade.
Okay.
Oh.
You thirsty?
I gotta stop.
You check your good baby
Garbage
dog.
bucket. Need it?
Yeah, he needs his bucket. Did you empty it? It's the fishing one. Man, I can't wait to get to going fishing again.
Yeah, me neither. It's too hot to be out there fishing right now.
But anytime I'm on the water, it's so nice. We got a bimini top, so it's not too
Yeah,
bad.
but still, even if there's no breeze,
We got to
even
fix
with
our
the,
washdown pump is what we need
Huh?
to do,
Oh, wash down pump.
because that really helps.
But that just pumps salt water, don't it?
Yeah, it pumps whatever you're at, but it's still cool. It's still cool and refreshing.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, please.
This is working on that. Got everything out of the rain. You're soaked. Had a very wet day.
You take a picture of my backside? That's gonna cost extra.
This is a very important piece of the job.
What?
What you're doing.
I know, that's why I'm doing it.
Yep. That's why I got you doing that.
I'm just joking.
Very precise. Make sure you get that thick and covered in there. No air leak. No air leak.
I fixed the truth yesterday.
Almost done.
Kinda.
Huh?
You kinda fell in on one side.
It's alright. We're gonna mask it too. Let's just fill in so you can get the mastic on.
He didn't put the tent up. That looks nice. Looks very nice. But the ring looks bad. But we're fixing to change that.
He may have to go up around that ceiling a little bit. You think they'll say anything about that?
Yeah.
Ready for juice. Thermostat's on and everything?
Yep.
Wow. I really did slack today, huh?
Do you want a wash rag? A napkin? Ooh, sharpie. Good and clean.
How was it? Not bad.
Not too bad. Job complete. 24. Everything is looking good, Levi. All cleaned up in here. Guess we need to help him put that tent down.
Holy cow, 35 degrees super heat. Subcool? 35 degrees subcool.
22.
Ah, it says 35 right there.
I'd say that.
Nuh-uh. Where are we going for lunch?
Starvos?
You are a Starbucks.
Next call is over there anyway.